nigga, I never run. I'ma stack this shit up for my daughter and son. Real told Josh at Atlanta room. Never said pops, what the fuck is a daddy? But shout out to Ebony, mama, she had me. I'm sorry I couldn't with school, I did badly. But promise you I'ma have meals with the family. And grandma, I'm sorry, familiar steady. I'ma get the time back that I missed with this action. And I would be lying if I say I'm just rapping. I see that boy now, I'm just instantly clapping. It all fell apart in the blink.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kasai World, and today's video we about to get something new for the 550 E550. You feel me? This video's gonna be everywhere. You feel me? It's gonna be like a couple days all in one video or whatever, or a week all in one video. But I just ordered. Well, I don't know if I can't really see. I know my camera's not focusing right now, but probably pop it up on the screen or something. But we got some Dowpipes, Catless Dowpipes, basically racing Dowpipes it says, or whatever. So just ordered them. Probably won't be here till about probably like next week. So just gotta wait for those to come in. So yeah, I'm gonna sketch y'all boys when the pack land in.
Some that shit done turned the winds. Them crackers don't want to see me when I blame my skin. It was just me proofing that car, we was smacking that shit on the bends. We stopped fucking with half of these niggas weren't getting it in. I took part of this shit when I knew I was.
Hold on. Alright, come on. Let me see. Yeah, we're good, ready.
A little cold start, actually.
Yes, sir. She sound good, boy. Good boy. Ain't got no chicken delay. Nah, don't. What? Huh? You gonna pull it out? Or you want to wait a little bit? So you gonna wait a little bit. You gonna give it a little minute. Yeah. Give a little bit more. She opened up. Go ahead, do it again, Jay. One more, man. Yeah.
That Joe loud.
Yo, with him today. I mean loud, boy. sound like that would.
You talking about you want older one that's louder?
Yeah, come on, let's go. Come on, you better pick up the pace though, boy.
Sorry.
Just don't do too much with it though. Wait till we get to the house. Yo, MJ. This joint open all the way up, dude. Oh, she recording, go ahead. And that's not even the big burbles.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my, yo.
Marshall told you to hear this joint.
And mom, yo. That was.
He got you right.
That was way worse. I don't care how much man I had to spend, bro. He got me right, man. This don't sound like a truck, yo. Come on, wait for my joint in the mail, yo, dude.
You probably can't even hear the turbos no more.
That joint sound like an NA at this point, bro. This joint sound like ain't got no turbo, just straight muscle.
This is German muscle right here.
MJ, this joint is so tough, bro. Forget an E60. This joint like an E63 now, bro. This the new E63. Then you got the stars in this joint. This joint loud.
Nah, bro.
One last time, she's still recording, bro. Come on. It's like somebody playing the drums back there. MJ, two-step it, bro.
Two-step.
That joint opened up, boy.